Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My brother, please introduce yourself.
I'm Shariza from the Zack and Shah Group. I'm here to support my friend newly open outlet Abang by Pondok Abang.
So brother, thank you for coming over with your beautiful family to have your dinner here. Maybe can share with us what sort of dishes that you guys tried and what's your opinion on the dishes that you have tried so far?
Very refreshing to find local food, Muslim-owned stall in the middle of a botanic garden. So after eating, you can go and jalan-jalan with your family at the botanic garden. Heritage food since 1990, very generous with the portion, flavorful. And you know what? We licin lah.
Oh, Masya Allah.
So you got satay, you got mee rebus, you got nasi ayam penyet, nasi goreng, everything here. So come down here after work, before work, also can insyaAllah.
Night to night we are here, Alhamdulillah. How was the nasi goreng ayam penyet?
Nasi goreng ayam penyet, very special, very spicy. I think you can ask the chef to reduce the spiciness if you want.
Oh, yes.
But you know what? I will come here again and again and again, insyaAllah.
Satay also okay?
Satay was good. Very good satay dia.
Alhamdulillah.
Harga pun bagus.
Masya Allah. So thank you for your honest feedback. We hope that we can continuously improve ourselves. And we are very hopeful that we, being here, we are able to serve halal food lah. For those working in NParks here behind, NUS Law, people who are living around Nasim area, and definitely whoever is walking around Botanic Gardens. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
May Allah bring more barakah to Abang by Pondok Abang.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.